change you wanna see. Build the world that you need. Stringing a wire, sticking a stone. Make a world to
We having visualization!
Break the rules just because you do. You defy the odds, bring the stars in to you. You are the wonder, the light and the thunder. You're the ultimate. You can't be hurried, broken over.
Without wrecking the neighborhood.
You see in the dark, there is wonder in your heart.
Wait, no, I'm telling you, I don't see any way to rebuild that bridge.
Yeah, okay, well, not with that attitude.
You may want to come and see this.
Sounds like another sky flinger attack. Stay low. Stay back.
Well, I'll be Peanut's uncle.
Oh, wow.
Is that? It's June.
She did it. She's actually done it.
Huh. But you look at that.
You are the wonder, the light and the thunder. You're the ultimate star. You can't be hurried, broken or worried. You see in the dark, there is wonder in your heart.
So, what's all this about?
It's time to bring Wonderland back to life.
Huh?
What? Guys, I know I let you down, but I want to make it right.